door, and it's a spacious little areaway right here. And then we have a sliding door that comes into the bathroom with the nice, cool, I think is that a greenish tile floor? I really like that. Really like the walls, the circular light. Got some brass fixture accents, not necessarily fixtures, but that's really cool. Cool glasses. This is the amenities right here. Come in, and then your toilets over here. Very nice, very nice. Here we have this nice big shower. I'm not really sure how to get this light on. Let's see if I can. Oh, here we go. Nice, bright, and white. Got those tiles going in there some more. And then let's check out the rest of the room. Got a little machine for your coffee here. Is it an espresso? It is. Nice red one. The pods. The mini fridge. Waters, nice more brass accents. Big TV over a wooden thing, nice wooden thing. Lots of green tones in here and some woods. Got the bed, almost like a hover one. I really like that backboard. More wooden accents. Nice little seating area right here. Cool nightstand. And then we got the closet with the robes. Always love when there's robes. Steam iron up there. And I don't think we have a view at nighttime, at least. Front door, front entrance. Yeah, here we are. I can dig the vibes here.